Right, so today I'm going to show you how to do a stitched bootlace paracord bracelet. Right, so to start off with, I have a simple cow stitch at the bottom, and I've come up and done a lock knot at the top to 2 half hitches, really easy to do. Now then, first of all, we are going to do a cow's hitch. So the grey cord goes over the top, blue underneath, these 2 centre cords out the other side, like that, and that looks very nice and tidy. And now then, for the pattern, all I'm going to do is create an S with the blue cord. The grey cord is going to go over the top of everything, underneath these 2 centre cords, and out through this hole here, like that, and pull it all up, and then do it again. Blue cord over the top, make an S. Grey cord goes over the top of everything, underneath the 2 centre cords, and out that blue loop there, and I'll see you at the bottom. Right, so there's the bootlace bracelet, nice and easy. The back doesn't look too bad either, and I actually used about 4.5 feet of silver grey and about 5 feet of navy blue. I also have about 5 feet of nano cord, and that's going to be for the stitching. So what we're going to do, so I'm going to ignore the top piece and the bottom piece here, and I'm going to start here. And what I'm going to do is just poke the needle up through here. Right, so just going to pull it to the end like that, and then what I'm going to do is poke it down here like that, out the other side, and just put it like that. And I'm going to come underneath, I'm just going to poke it through here, poke it through there, and then go down the other side. And one thing I've noticed is nano cord is flat, it's not round. So trying to make it look as good as possible, and I'm trying not to twist that nano cord, he says. So there you go. Now when we go underneath, what I like to do, I like to bring the cord up and around so it goes down like that. It just makes everything look tidier on the back. I know nobody's going to see the back when it's on your wrist, but it just makes it look tidier. So there you go. You just keep going, and I'll see you at the bottom. So there you go, that is a stitched bootlace paracord bracelet. I literally woke up one morning and thought, has anyone done a stitched bootlace? And looked around, and I haven't seen a video of anyone doing this. So this is either a first, or it's so obvious nobody thought of doing it.